welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Showmakes the wife star MBALENHLE MAVIMBELA, popularly known as HLOMU, with the wife took it to her Instagram page to appreciate her friends and family after they planned her surprise baby shower. She posted the following message today: I was told to get ready for a photo shoot to actually find that it's my surprise baby shower featuring my family, friends, and favorite artist. Thank you to everyone that has been part of this journey. Kumnandi, guys, ukuba imina serious. Guys, I'm not sure if she has already gave birth, but it's possible because Mbali was not that transparent about her pregnancy on social media. This baby shower might be something that happened few weeks back. But anyway, guys, congratulations to her. We love her so much and we appreciate Mbali craft yake on our screen. Do leave your comment below and say just one word to her. Bye.